आप सभी आदरणीय श्रोता बंधुओं को हमारा सप्रेम नमस्कार, आदाब, सलाम। बहन भाइयों,
Good morning, all of you. My name is Pradeep. I am living in Thandas. So today my topic name is safe environment. A green and clean atmosphere is important in your life. Peaceful and to the life. You easily save your environment. You only one tree planted a tree, one tree. All person is planted. There are a lot of trees showing, and some person is always time cut the tree and waste the tree and make the way bad and other things. Some person is bad and all person is always use the plastic bag. Plastic bag is very bad for environment. And I can say that don't use the plastic bag and plastic things. Don't use. But I say you make the one cloth bag in your home. Don't use the plastic bag. And some person is always waste the water. Water is very important in your life. Without water you don't live on the earth. Water is very important. Some person is bathing times very water wasted and clean the clothes times. I know, but don't know. But some person is very wasted with the water. And once upon a time, I saw the one man is open the water tank and all water is wasted. He is not thinking how can I make the water and take the water. And pollution is very important. I know pollution is plastic and drive the cars time is also pollution. Now I want to finish my topic.